Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their Zebra Technologies HC100 series thermal label printer, the JANT AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any power cord. It's specifically designed to keep your HC100, whether it's the HC100 3001-100, HC100 3001-200, or any other model in that range, running smoothly and safely. What immediately stands out about this adapter is its commitment to safety and durability. The manufacturer has clearly prioritized protection, building in safeguards against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits. This means you can plug in your valuable Z-Band direct ID wristband maker with peace of mind, knowing that the power supply is actively working to prevent any electrical mishaps that could damage your device. It's a crucial detail often overlooked, but absolutely vital for the longevity of your printer. Beyond the robust internal protection, the physical design is also quite thoughtful. It boasts a compact form factor and low power consumption, making it incredibly convenient. Whether you're setting up a temporary station or just need a reliable power source at home, its portability is a definite plus. You won't find yourself wrestling with a bulky, inefficient brick. The high-quality materials used in its construction are evident, and the fact that it's been rigorously tested by the manufacturer for both safety and durability adds another layer of confidence. This isn't a flimsy, generic replacement. It's built to last and perform. Now, a few important points to remember to get the most out of this adapter and ensure the safety of your printer. Firstly, regular maintenance of the charging port is key. Over time, plugs can accumulate dirt or debris, leading to poor contact. A quick, gentle clean can prevent issues and ensure a consistent power flow. Secondly, and this is critical, always double-check that you've selected the correct voltage before connecting it to your device. Small household appliances, like your thermal printer, often lack internal circuit protection against incorrect voltage, and using the wrong setting could unfortunately damage your equipment. It's a simple step that makes a huge difference. The manufacturer also recommends using less than 80% of the full load, which is a smart practice for extending the life of any power supply. Finally, a few common-sense precautions will help preserve the adapter itself. It's designed for indoor use, so keep it away from the elements. Avoid dropping, knocking, or shaking it, as high and low temperatures can also shorten the life of electronic components and damage circuit boards. And of course, never run it overloaded. Following these simple guidelines will ensure your JANT adapter continues to provide reliable power for your Zebra HC100 printer for a long time. It's a solid, dependable choice for keeping your wristband maker operational.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.